Namaste, good morning. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to take you through one of my all-time favorite morning practices, which is a simple 5-minute affirmation meditation. So an affirmation is a positive statement that we say in the present tense. They're meant to inspire optimism, joy, and to really get you feeling really good. It's also a wonderful way to investigate and look into your own emotional well-being and your own emotional state. It's perfectly normal for some affirmations to feel a little bit easier, a little more natural, and maybe some of them you won't connect with quite as much. Don't worry if that happens. Again, this is just one way that we can investigate and learn a little bit more about ourselves. But really, all you need to do is sit up tall. As I speak these affirmations, you can listen to them and internally repeat them to yourself a few times, just noticing how they make you feel. Hopefully, they'll make you feel good, and it'll be a great way for you to start your day with some optimism, some joy, and to really set also the intention for the day ahead. Okay, let's begin. I like to sit. If I lay down, I might fall asleep. So sit up tall, lengthening your spine. You can rest your hands on the tops of your knees and close your eyes. Take a few cleansing breaths here. So I'll be stating these affirmations. All you need to do is listen. Repeat them internally a few times and notice how they make you feel and which ones you connect with. And let's begin. I radiate joy from my entire being. I feel so good in my body. I'm ready to begin my day with purpose and clarity. I am mindful of my body language when interacting with others. Even when things get tough, I stay grounded and centered. I love myself truly and deeply. Good things are coming my way. I'm ready. My playful attitude keeps me young at heart. Today, I will prioritize my well-being. I see the good in others and praise them for it. I am capable and competent. I know my worth. I let go of control and allow ease into my life. I am always connected to my heart. Let's take a cleansing breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Join your hands together at your heart. And we'll close this meditation with the chant of Om one time. Inhale to chant, big breath in. Om. Opening the eyes. Thank you so much for doing this 5-minute affirmation meditation with me this morning. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you connected with one affirmation in particular, you might want to use this as your intention for the day. Sometimes even just writing it down can help to really anchor it. You can even put it as like your phone background, so you're checking it regularly throughout the day. Whatever helps to memorize it and really keep it fresh in your mind as you move about your busy schedule, I'm sure. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you'll join me again tomorrow morning, and I will practice again with you very soon.